students, welcome to our online classes BBPS e-learning. Dear students, I am going to teach you chapter 2 playing with numbers. The topic is common factors and common multiples. Common factor, common factors. Common factors, a factor is a number that divides into another number exactly. To find the common factors of two numbers, you first need to list all the factors of each one and then compare them. If a factor appears in both lists, then it is a common factor. For example, the factor of 8, 1 and itself 8. 1 and itself factor property, 1 and itself factor of 8, and then 2 4 ja 8 exactly divisor is a factor 2 4 ja 8. 3 is not exactly divisor, so 3 is not a factor. 4 2 ja 8. 5 is not a exact divisor. 6 not a exact divisor. 7 not a exact divisor. So the factors of 8, 1 2 4 8. The factor of 12, 1 and itself number 12 factor, and 2 6 ja 12 exact divisor. 3 4 ja 12 exact divisor. 4 3 ja 12. 5 is not a exact divisor, so it is not a factor of 12. 6 2 ja 12. 7 is a not exact divisor, so it is not factor of 12. So 1 2 3 4 6 12 is a factor of 12. This is first list, this is first list, and this is second list. In both the list, we compare factors 1 1 same, 1 1 same, 2 2 same digit, 4 4 same number, and 6 here but not here, 8 12 is not same. So 1 1 same, common, 2 2 common, 4 4 common. So the common factor common factor common factors equal to 1 2 4, 1 2 4 common factors of 8 and 12. If the two numbers have the same factors, they are said to have common factors. Okay, student. Co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Two numbers are said to be co-prime if they do not have a common factor other than 1. For example 3 5, factor of 3 1 and 3, factor of 5 1 and 5. So common factor here only 1 is a common factor of 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 co-prime numbers. 5 7 factor of 5 1 5, factor of 7 1 7, common factor 1 1, common factor 1, common factor 1. So the 5 and 7 are co-primes. Common multiples. Common multiples. Common multiples. Common multiples are the numbers which are exactly divisible by two or more numbers. Let us find the common multiples of two or more numbers. Consider numbers 4 and 6. The multiples of 4. Multiple means table. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24, 4 7 ja 28, 4 8 ja 32, 4 9 ja 36, and so on infinite. The multiple of 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, 6 6 ja 36, 6 7 ja 42, 6 8 ja 48, and so on infinite. We observe that 12 12 12 same number. 12 12 same number, it means common. 12 12 common. 24 24 common, same number. 36 36 common, same number, common. So 12 12 24 and 36 are multiples are common multiples of number 4 and 6. 12 24 and 36 are common multiples of 4 and 6. Take more examples. Factors. Common factors of 20 and 28. Factors of 20. 1 and 20. 1 and 20. After that, this 2 10 ja 2 is exact divisor, so 2 is a factor of 20. 3 is not a exact divisor. 4 5 ja 20, 4 5 ja 20, 4 is a exact divisor. 5 5 4 जा 20. 5 is a exact divisor. 6 7 8 9 is not a exact divisor, so that it is not a factor of 20. 10 10 2 ja 20, so 10 is a exact divisor. It is factor of 20. So the factor of 20 equal to 1 2 4 5 10 20. 11 is not a exact divisor. 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 is not a exact divisor. So that 1 2 4 5 10 20 are factors of 20. Factors of 28. 1 and itself 28. 2 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. 2 is a exact divisor. 3 not a exact divisor. 4 4 7 ja 28. 4 is a exact divisor. 5 not a exact divisor. 6 not a exact divisor. 7 4 ja 28. 7 4 ja 28. 8 8 is not exact divisor. 9 not exact divisor. 10 11 12 13 14 14 2 ja 28. 14 2 ja 28. 15 2 ja 30. So 15 is not multiple of 28, so that 1 2 4 7 14 28 are factors of 28. Common factor. 1 1 same number, common. 1 common. 2 2 same number, common. 4 4 same number, common. 5 5 10 and rest of numbers not common or not same. So the 1 2 4 is the 1 2 4 are the common factors of 20 and 28. Common factor of find out common factor of 15 and 25. Factors of 15. 1 and itself. Factor 2 not a exact divisor. 3 5 ja 15. 3 5 ja 15. 4 is not a exact divisor. 5 3 ja 15. 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 is not a exact divisor. So that 1, 3, 5, 15 are factors of 15. Factors of 25. 1 and itself. 2 not a exact divisor of 25. 3, 4, 5. 5 ja 25. So the 5 is a factor of 25. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 is not a exact divisor. So it is not factors of 25. Common factor. Common factor. 1, 1 same. 5, 5 same. Common 5 common. And 15, 25 not same. It is not common. So the common factors of 15 and 25 are 1, 5. 1 and 5 is the common factors of 15 and 25. Some more examples on common multiples. Example on common multiple. Number 1, find the first three common multiples of 6 and 8. Multiples of 6. Multiple of 6 are 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, 6 5 ja 30, 6 6 ja 36, 6 7 ja 42, 6 8 ja 48, 6 9 ja 54, 6 10 ja 60, 6 11 ja 66, and so on. Infinite. Multiples of 8. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, 8 5 ja 40, 8 6 ja 48, 8 7 ja 56, 8 8 ja 64, 8 9 ja 72, 8 9 ja 72, 8 10 ja 80, and so on. Infinite. Find the first three common multiples. First three. Same number, list first, list second. We compare the list. Six. We compare the list. 24, same number, so common 24 is the common. 48, 48, same number, so it is a common. 66, 6 11 ja, 6 12 ja, 72, and so on. 72, 72 common. So common multiples, common multiples, common multiples 24, 48 and 72. Some question for practice. Number 1, find common factor, common factor of 35 and 50, 56 and 120. Common multiples, common multiples, find out. Number 12 and 18, 12 and 18. 4, 8 and 12. These are question for practice. Okay, students.